So I want to introduce to you tonight two very dear friends of mine, Toothless and Hiccup. And some of you here in the audience may have children and you're smiling because you know Toothless and Hiccup. Toothless is a dragon. And he got his name because he's toothless. And Hiccup is a 15-year-old boy who was son of a Viking king. And you may ask, what are you talking about, Shawn? If you have not seen the movies How to Train Your Dragon, you need to go watch them after tonight. Toothless and Hiccup had this bond that was unbreakable as you walk through their journey in the three movies. But Hiccup had been trained his whole life to hate dragons and to kill them. And many times in our own personal lives, we actually get told to slay our dragons.